Hola amigos, I am Sonrisa, and today I love to share with you how to create a motivational video. But first, let's look at some YouTube channel to see how it looks like. So as you can see here, this YouTube channel called Motivational. There's plenty of videos here. As you can see here, many videos, and if you follow all these steps, you can make a wonderful video. But I love to see how much do this YouTube make by using the social blade, this estimated YouTube money calculator. This YouTube channel earn between $1.8 to $28,000. Really, it is insane. And you can check also the daily earn. It is high. It is high income. And maybe I can see another YouTube channel to see also their income. This one. This one, yes, it is attractive videos. So by using this site, I can see this YouTube channel earn between $2.8 to $44,000. So let's get started and begin by the first step, which is upload the audio.
Well, God wants us all to be courageous because He knows we'll face times in life and situations and circumstances that it takes more than just the desire, it takes courage. Many people.
So this site, you can upload many powerful speech, and please check first about the copyright. You should be free copyright. The second step is upload the videos. The videos is by using pixels and clicking motivational videos, and as you can see, there is plenty videos, and I will choose maybe 3 videos just to show you how it is so easy to make this kind of videos. The first video, I will upload this one. Yes, I love it. The second one, I will choose this one, tell your story. After uploading these videos, you can see here that called Hit Film. This editor, it is for free. Just import the videos here. Just follow these steps. After adding these videos, I just I make some adjustments here by unlink the audio from the video, because I will replace it by another one with this powerful speech. I add this second one, and the third video, the same process. So after adding these videos, if there is an audio, you should to remove it. After adding all these videos, right now you can add the audio by import media and choose this MP3, and right now you can adjust.
What are the 5 reasons that you won't give up when life catch you on the blind side, when the messenger of misery visits you? What are you going to do? What will keep you in the game when life knocks you to the canvas?
Life's going to punch you right in the face. Life's going to fire you over and over again. You're going to be told you're not good enough. Your faith is going to be tested. Your family's going to look you in the eye.
The final step is to write the speech, just clicking on text, add your own text, that's all. This one white, it is clear. I adjust this text. So as you can see, it is easy, copy, paste, and you can do a wonderful video. The third one is create a YouTube thumbnail. And the first step is here is to choose a photo like this one, for instance. It is an expressive photo. After uploading this video photo, you can create the YouTube thumbnail by using Canva, by free account, by create a new one, and I just upload the photo. Yeah. Okay, I change it to the left, and I adjust a little bit, and I love to edit this photo to be more cinematic. I choose the mist, this one, so it is better. So, and I add a text, a powerful text. I change the color and the size. And as you can see here, it is good. Just I love to change the font to be more clear and more attractive. It's cool right now, yeah. As you can see, it is so easy. Just follow the steps and you can make a good video for motivational video. So thank you for watching, guys, and please let me know in the comments section any question or anything. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.